How to find Domino's pizza ingredients list. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Domino's on your device. Here, go to the allergen and nutrition page and then click on pizza, or you can simply scroll down in here. After you do that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, you'll find all the pizzas option, and if you scroll down, you'll find energy and allergen, but Domino's does not share their ingredients. As you can see, made in Australia from at least 70% Australian ingredient, and pizza calculation is based on a classic crust, and there are only allergen. There's no specific pizza ingredients included. This is how to find Domino's pizza ingredients list. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.